After a landslide victory in the recently concluded assembly elections, the BJP party is now gearing up in Maharashtra for the upcoming local body corporation elections. I am joined with Sujay Vike Patil, BJP leader. Sir, welcome to NewsX. After a landslide victory in the recently concluded assembly elections, BJP is now gearing up for the local body corporation election. Union Home Minister Amit Shah will be coming tomorrow to Shirdi. What all preparations have been done in Shirdi for this meeting?
Firstly, it is the first conclave after such a huge mandate that all the Karyakartas are getting together for this convocation. I think this is the first time in the history that such a big, huge event is being done at a state level party headquarters. So what I think is all the people who are going to come will be fortunate enough to hear Honorable Home Minister Amit Bhai Shah, Honorable Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, and I think both of these top leaders are going to first of all thank the Karyakartas because of whom this government has come, because of whom such a huge mandate for Bharatiya Janata Party has come. And as an organizer, it is our responsibility that all those people who have done so much for the party are to be kept properly. The food, accommodation, the Sai Darshan, everything has been looked after. And I hope that by the time people leave from here tomorrow evening, they'll be in a very satisfied and a happy mood that they have taken the blessings of Sri Sai Baba as well. And as a party worker, they have been felicitated good enough for all the hard work they have done previously.
Sir, if you look at the Maha Vikas Aghadi also, Sanjay Raut is saying that we as Shiv Sena UBT will fight the election separately. Do you think that all is not well within the Maha Vikas Aghadi?
Maha Vikas Aghadi was never for the benefit of people. It was an alliance which came together for getting ministerial berths for each and every party. They were never together on an agenda of Maharashtra development. They were never together for the development of farmers. So now once the government is gone and what people have shown them in the recent elections, they will obviously not be together. That is for sure. And on top of that, people like Honorable MP Sanjay Raut sir should now at least stop media briefings, or else whatever 10 MLAs which Shiv Sena are left with, they will also not be there. Because it has been a total mayhem what he has caused to the BJP Sena alliance in the past year or past 5 years, and now what damage he is doing to Maha Vikas Aghadi. He is the main culprit for ruining everything, the political standards in Maharashtra. That is what I believe.
Sir, you have made some big statements. He is the main culprit who is ruining both the previous Maha alliance of the BJP, Shiv Sena, and now the Maha Vikas Aghadi. Apart from that, you said the 10 MLAs which are there with Shiv Sena might come to the ruling Mahayuti. So, are these MLAs in contact with the BJP or the Shiv Sena-led Shinde?
I didn't say that they are going to come to Mahayuti. I said they will not be with them. They can go within the Maha Vikas Aghadi also. Na? So, not that Shiv Sena is going to come to us. They can go to Congress. They can go to NCP Sharad Pawar.
But
so, I am saying
MLAs in your contact?
No, I am not reachable. So, I am not in touch with anyone. I am a very small person. How can I be in contact with all these people? I am saying that a person who is leading the party is frustrating the cadre so much. And he is not being stopped by the senior leadership. Who is going to remain? Last time also, when Honorable Eknath Shinde sir left Shiv Sena, he also blamed Sanjay Raut for it. Now also the same thing is happening. I don't know how Uddhav Sahib can tolerate all this nonsense and how he can't see what disaster he is landing his party into.
So last question, will Shiv Sena, UBT and BJP once again come together?
That I am a very small person to comment on that, but according to me, Mahayuti is a strong alliance of 3 parties. We are happy with each other. I don't think our cadre or our Karyakartas will accept any new addition to this structure of Mahayuti. And if anything happens, I think it will lower down the morale because we have fought very hardly. And I can assure you this, no matter what media speculations come, Mahayuti as a whole will be unified and no new alliance will be created, no matter whosoever makes any comment in the media.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
With video journalist Kunal, this is Darren Miranda for NewsX, Shirdi.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.